everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sarah's View. Today is day 19 of the swimming series program. If you're watching this video for the first time, we're learning swimming in 20 days. Please go to my channel playlist swimming series to watch it from the beginning. Today we're gonna learn how to improve our butterfly style. Come, let's learn together. Practice this activity. Once you're done, please go check my day 20 video in the swimming series playlist. Bye! Have a nice day.